So, hi friends, here we have the Mavic Mini, and anyhow, we invest our money, our hard-earned money in it. So why not buy some good accessories to support this tiny little drone thing, which can make our life a lot easier. The first item is the Samsung SD card, micro SD card, which is class 10 and support 4K. Anyhow, we need here support for 2.7K only, but anyway, bigger is better, so we buy that one. It's coming with a card reader also, not card reader, with a adapter. Yeah, here we have it, 128 Evo Plus. So the next item is to buy a spare battery, because your Mavic drone is consuming battery power not only for flying, but when you transfer the files, when you connect it to a remote, when you update the software, for everything it's consumed the battery. So it's very advisable to get battery extra and a charging dock. If you don't have a charging dock, you must use the Mavic Mini drone itself to charge your battery with the port provider. And as soon as possible, get an extra connection cable. The main reason is if you lose it or if it's damaged, you can use one. And also, if you want to use the larger iPad versions, you need a bigger cable. So try to get at least 1 feet cable from Amazon. I already put the link here. The next is the shade for phone. For evening and morning, we don't want the shade to see because our the needs of brightness in our smartphones or tabs are enough. But what about a sunny day? No, you can't see. Myself, I cannot see. The smaller buttons, especially in the iPhone, the smaller buttons and another options, you cannot see anything. So it's advisable to get this shade, which is cheap, but it's durable. It's silicone printed design and it's durable. I will show you how to put it on. Here I am not using my iPhone, just a similar sized phone, just to show you how to put it on and how it looks. Now we will put it in remote. Actually, it's the shade itself. It's very comfortable and it's not blocking the buttons, the control buttons. But that's not the case if you fix an iPad and put a bigger one. No, it will block your buttons and your view. Our next must-have accessory is landing pad or launch pad. Since our Mavic Mini is very small and the ground clearance is very less. Okay, so you must use this one, especially for the sandy areas or beaches or the garden grass areas. Better to keep your Mavic Mini clean. Otherwise the sand will go inside all over the body and the battery pins, and it's a lot of work to remove the sand. coming in two colors, both sides. One is blue and other side is orange, and those orange sticks you can use to fix the launch pad in sandy areas like beaches or something where we have hard wind, or just to keep the launch pad in place. And another thing came with the launching pad is a sticker, some sort of a reflective sticker. But my advice is to not use that, because our Mavic Mini, when the sensor sense the color and the reflection, it will think like it's above a water surface, and it will not land on that launch pad. So just don't use that. So if you want to use not an iPhone but a tab mini or a bigger tab, it's better to use a mount. Okay, the mount means it will not block the controls, and you can use the shade, and everything is visible. So it will stay like in back side of the in between the antenna when it's fold up, between the antenna and the remote. Another accessory is the SD card reader for iPhone. Better to get a good quality one. You can transfer the medias and everything, all the photos, images, everything direct to your iPhone. You can copy it direct to your photo application. This is the shade for iPad mini. If you want to use iPad mini, you can buy this shade. This is the launch pad I buy. This is the memory, and this is the silicone shade which I buy it for my iPhone. And you can buy a power bank to power your battery and your remote. It's a very important accessory, especially if you don't have a car or car charger. On the go you can charge it. And next is the cable, the on-foot cable which I buy. It's a very important accessory. In case you want to use a tab or something bigger, you must use a long cable. And the tablet mount.